code, show some love by hitting like and subscribe. It helps me continue making great content for you. The ROC, Receiver Operating Characteristic, curve is a graphical representation used to evaluate the performance of a binary classification model by plotting the true positive rate, sensitivity, against the false positive rate, 1 specificity, at various threshold settings. It shows the trade-off between correctly identifying positive cases and incorrectly flagging negative ones as positive. A model with good predictive ability will have a curve that bows toward the top left corner, indicating high true positives and low false positives. The area under the ROC curve, AUC, quantifies the overall performance. Closer to 1 means better accuracy, while 0.5 suggests no discriminative power. First, we import number py, which helps with numerical computations like arrays and math operations. Next, we bring in a utility to generate a fake, synthetic, classification dataset for testing. We also need a function to split our dataset into training and testing portions. We'll use logistic regression as our classification model in this example. These functions help us compute the ROC curve and the AUC score. And finally, we use Matplotlib to draw the ROC curve visually. Now we create a synthetic dataset with 1,000 samples and 20 features. Only 2 of the features will actually help in classifying the data, informative, the rest are noise. We split the data into 2 parts, 70% for training the model and 30% for testing it. We create a logistic regression model, which is good for binary classification tasks. Now we fit our model using the training data. After training, we use the model to predict probabilities on the test data. We only care about the probability of the positive class, label 1, which is at index 1. Using the true labels and predicted scores, we compute the values needed to plot the ROC curve. This gives us the false positive rate, true positive rate, and thresholds. We also calculate the AUC, area under the curve, to get a single number summary of the ROC curve. Now we start plotting the ROC curve. Plot the actual ROC curve using the FPR and TPR values. We also display the AUC score in the legend for reference. For comparison, we plot a dashed diagonal line that represents a completely random model. Add a label to the x-axis, false positive rate. Add a label to the y-axis, true positive rate. Give the plot a title so we know what we're looking at. Show the legend to differentiate between our model and a random classifier. Add a grid to make the plot easier to read. Finally, display the plot. Now run our code. Are you ready to keep learning and growing as a developer? Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Every click supports me in creating content that can help you reach your goals, whether you're a beginner or a pro. So hit that button, and let's continue this coding adventure together.